Welcome, wanderers of the world, to another adventure with Traveling Kangaroo, your guide to the globe's most fascinating destinations. We're here to ignite your wanderlust, to guide you through the unseen, the unexplored, and the simply unforgettable. Today, we're setting course for the charming state of Connecticut, a place known for picturesque towns, fall colors, Mark Twain, lobsters, maple syrup, and so much more. So, hop along as we uncover what Connecticut is known for. When in Connecticut, the charm of picturesque New England towns is hard to ignore. Nestled amidst nature's grandeur, these towns are a treasure trove of history and character. Take Mystic, for instance. This maritime town with its iconic drawbridge and historic shipbuilding museum is a testament to Connecticut's nautical past. Its quaint streets are lined with charming boutiques and eateries, each with its own story to tell. Then there's Essex, a town that looks like it has been plucked straight out of a postcard. Famous for its steam train and riverboat ride, Essex takes you on a journey back in time. Its well-preserved architecture and vibrant art scene make it a haven for history buffs and art enthusiasts alike. And these are just two examples. There are countless other charming towns across Connecticut, each with its own unique allure. These towns, with their timeless appeal, truly encapsulate the spirit of Connecticut. Connecticut is also a canvas of vibrant fall colors, a sight that inspired many, including the great Mark Twain. Every year, the state transforms into a magnificent spectacle of reds, oranges, and yellows. The fiery colors of the trees, mirrored in the state's numerous lakes and rivers, create a breathtaking panorama that has to be seen to be believed. It's no wonder that such a sight would captivate the imagination of Mark Twain. The famous author, renowned for his wit and keen observations of American life, chose to call Hartford, Connecticut home. Here, amidst the blazing colors of autumn, he penned some of his most iconic works. The charm of Connecticut, with its distinct seasons and picturesque landscapes, undoubtedly left its mark on Twain's storytelling. As the leaves change, so does the state's ambiance, turning it into a real-life literary landscape. The allure of Connecticut in the fall is a testament to its enduring influence on one of America's greatest literary figures. Connecticut is a state of firsts and finest, from its culinary delights to its contribution to journalism. Delving into the culinary scene, Connecticut is a paradise for seafood lovers, particularly if you have a penchant for lobsters. This northeastern state is renowned for its fresh, succulent lobsters that are a key ingredient in many local recipes. From traditional lobster rolls served in a buttered, toasted bun to more innovative dishes, Connecticut's lobster is truly a gastronomic delight. The taste of these lobsters, fresh from the Long Island Sound, is a testament to the state's rich marine biodiversity. But it's not just about seafood. Connecticut is also home to the sweet, sticky, and utterly delicious maple syrup. The state's sugar maple trees are nature's own sweet factories, producing sap that is lovingly collected and boiled down to create this amber nectar. Whether it's drizzled on pancakes, used in baking, or as a natural sweetener, Connecticut's maple syrup adds a touch of sweetness to any dish. It's a taste that captures the essence of the state's lush, verdant landscapes. Moving from the dining table to the news desk, Connecticut is also the home of the Hartford Courant. Known as the oldest continuously published newspaper in the United States, the Courant has been reporting the news since before the country was even a country. Since 1764, it's been a trusted source of information for Connecticut residents, covering everything from local happenings to national news. The Hartford Courant is more than just a newspaper. It's a piece of living history, a testament to Connecticut's long-standing commitment to journalism and free speech. From your palate to your intellect, Connecticut offers a rich tapestry of experiences. Whether you're savoring a fresh lobster roll, enjoying the sweetness of pure maple syrup, or catching up on the latest news with the Hartford Courant, you're not just experiencing Connecticut, you're becoming a part of its story. A story that continues to be written every day in this state of firsts and finest. Connecticut's rich history is woven with fascinating stories and landmarks. Let's delve into the state's connection to the origins of Thanksgiving, the song Yankee Doodle, the historical charter oak tree, and the state's captivating lighthouses. First, let's talk turkey. The state of Connecticut is closely tied to the origins of Thanksgiving. Did you know that the first proclamation declaring a day of Thanksgiving was signed in Connecticut in the early 17th century? This tradition of giving thanks and sharing a bountiful harvest has since become a beloved American holiday. Next, we dance to the tune of Yankee Doodle. The song, often associated with the American Revolution, has deep roots in Connecticut. The lyrics, believed to be written by a British surgeon to mock the ragtag American troops, were embraced by the colonials with a sense of humor and defiance. Now, it's an enduring symbol of American resilience and independence. Moving on, we find ourselves under the canopy of the legendary charter oak. This massive white oak tree was more than just a natural wonder. It's said to have hidden the Connecticut Charter in 1687 to prevent British authorities from seizing it. Though the tree fell in a storm in the late 19th century, its legacy lives on, symbolizing the state's commitment to self-governance. Finally, we turn our gaze to the shoreline, dotted with enchanting lighthouses. These historic structures once guided mariners through the treacherous waters of the Long Island Sound. Today, they stand as beautiful reminders of Connecticut's maritime history. From the New London Harbor Light, the state's oldest and tallest lighthouse, to the charming Sheffield Island Lighthouse, each beacon has its unique tale to tell. These historical treasures are a testament to Connecticut's rich past and resilient spirit. From the origins of Thanksgiving to the Yankee Doodle song, the Charter Oak's defiant stance, and the timeless allure of lighthouses, Connecticut tells a story of resilience, history, and enduring charm. Our journey through Connecticut comes to an end, but the adventure with traveling Kangaroo continues. We've explored picturesque towns, admired fall colors, walked in the footsteps of Mark Twain, indulged in lobsters and maple syrup, and unraveled history from the oldest running newspaper to the origins of Thanksgiving. From the tunes of Yankee Doodle to the tales of the Charter Oak and lighthouses, Connecticut's charm is undeniable. Our mission to journey through the unseen continues. Join us on our next adventure by subscribing to Traveling Kangaroo and following us on social media. Don't forget to visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.